What's going on, my friends? I'm back again with another video. Today, we're going to review the Robinhood app. I'm going to take you through, especially if you're looking into getting this app, starting out with investments, and you're not too sure what to do. I'm going to take you through step by step, and I'm actually going to trade a stock today live here on video so you can check it out. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get started with the video. This is the first time you and I have met. My name is Bob, and I got out of $92,000 in consumer debt. And now I help people just like you crush debt, build wealth, and live their ultimate sweet life. Today's video is all about Robinhood. So I'm going to walk you through step by step how to set this thing up. I just started with Robinhood. So what's really cool is I'm going to be creating a playlist here on this YouTube channel on Sweet Life Money. And throughout the next couple months and next couple years, I'm going to add to this playlist as my portfolio within Robinhood continues to grow. So my goal is to hit $25,000 and get monthly dividend payments of $50 a month. So in order to do that, obviously I got some work to do. So follow along with my journey by subscribing today and checking out the Robinhood playlist as we go through time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop up my screen right over here on this side so that way you can follow through with me live as I use my phone here to do the Robinhood stuff. So first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, sign up for Robinhood. I will include the link in the description below. What's really cool about this link is you get yourself a free stock with Robinhood. You can see it right here as you click on the link. This is what it will look like. And it can be any type of stock. I'll share with you in just a moment which one I got when I signed up. But they give you a free stock. You don't even have to fund the account. You can literally sign up for Robinhood, check out the free stock you get, watch it grow and fall and do its thing. And then when you're ready for it, you can fund the account and start investing yourself. Again, now I am not an investment advisor. What I recommend you do is check with your investment advisor to make sure you're doing the right thing based on your financial situation. So after you hit claim free stock, you're going to sign up. It'll ask for things like your name, your address, all that typical stuff, right? Like your phone number, and get you all set up with the Robinhood app. So let's get right to it. What I'm going to do is share with you the first steps. Now, you're going to notice right here it is, I have $20.01. So long way to go to 25,000, but that's okay. This is the start of it all, and you're lucky because you get to check out this video first. So again, look down below here. I'm going to scroll down in this app, and you're going to see two stocks. One is PSEC, that's Prospect Capital. That was the free stock that I got when I signed up for Robinhood. So $5 for free. I'll take it. Now, of course, if you're one of those lucky ones that gets like Apple as your first stock, hats off to you. That's amazing. And then you can see another one, AGNC. That is actually a stock that I'm in process of buying now. And like I said, I'm going to trade a stock here on the video so you can walk through how this process actually works. So the first thing you're going to want to do is link your bank account once you're ready to start investing. And within the app, go to the very far right-hand side. You'll see that little stick figure human. Click on that and then click on transfers, which is the third option down here on the app as we see it today. Now this may change over time, but that's what it looks like today. And then you're going to want to set up your bank account. It's actually very easy to do. What they're going to do is basically pop up a thing, especially if you have one of the major banking accounts. And you can, like for example, I have Schwab Bank, and I click on their thing, log in, it immediately connects. Schwab asks if I've made this as an approved thing for Robinhood. I say, yes, I do. Boom, it's linked. And then you can start transferring money from your bank account into the Robinhood app so that you can start investing. What if I want that money back? Well, if you have extra money in the Robinhood app and you want to transfer that to your bank account, you can simply do that. In fact, you'll see it right there. It says transfer to bank. Right now, I don't have any money available because everything is in stocks. But if I did have money in my cash balance, I could then transfer that to my bank account. Very easy, very straightforward. Now, one thing I recommend is actually the third option down on the screen that's up right now, which is schedule automatic deposits. The reason for that is, and I haven't set it up yet, but I'm going to today. The reason for that is just like the Stash app, which is another app that I actively invest in. It's passive investing. That's important. And here's why. Really quick, I want to share with you an important thing to think about. A lot of people, what they'll do is they buy into single stocks. Bad thing about that is when stocks start going down, as they have in this past year, people start losing their mind and they think, oh my gosh, I got to sell all this and I need to sell before I lose all my money. Well, you're selling on the downtrend. You never want to sell stocks when it's going down in value. You actually want to, when it's going down in value, that's when you actually want to buy in. In fact, Warren Buffett, the billionaire, he says, be greedy when people are fearful, and be fearful when people are greedy. So going back to the automatic deposits, the reason I recommend that is take $5 and the best thing if you're starting off is to consider doing a very simple index fund or ETF. What that is, it's basically, Vanguard is a great example of this. It's basically a basket of stocks, of shares of stock. For example, if you own something that, let's say one of those stocks in the basket of your ETF goes bankrupt, you're not losing your money as you would if you were invested singly in that stock. Now, of course, if one of them soars to the top, you're not going to ride the wave all the way to the top with that single stock. But it is a better way to diversify, and it's a better way to lessen the risk of the stock market. So automatic deposits, again, $5. It can be into an ETF. It can be into a single stock, but that's what I'm going to do every week is $5. You can do as much or as little as you want, but my automatic deposit is going to be $5 a week. I'm already investing $5 a week with Stash. This is going to be another $5 toward Robinhood. So now I'm investing $10 a week into these two apps. Cutting my Starbucks budget, no more of that frivolous coffee. I'm going to cut that and use that money toward this, so that way I'm maximizing my long-term future. Another thing is, if you haven't noticed already, I don't know about you, but I find this Robinhood app to be super easy and simple to use. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put $5 and I'm actually going to add another share of this PSEC. So I see it's trading at 501. What I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer $5.50 from my bank account so that I can buy another share of PSEC. Now you can also buy fractional shares. So that $5.50, of course, I'll probably get a share and a little bit more of a fractional share, maybe a 0.206 of the share, but that's okay. I'm going to invest based on the money, and you'll see it all here on camera. So let's check it out. First thing, go to the little stick figure, go to transfer to Robinhood. Simply put, I'm going to put $5.50, like I just told you. Review. It's going to say the funds will be deducted from your bank account within the next several days. That sounds great to me. I'm going to hit submit. It's going to say transfer is initiated. It may take up 5 days. Make sure you maintain a balance of $5.50 in your bank account until the funds are deducted. Please make sure you always have enough, plus a little bit of an emergency fund too, in your bank account. Hit continue. Instant access. Look at that. Oh man, it's raining. This is great. This is great. While your $5.50 is on its way, we'll give you instant access so you can invest it right away. If you're in good standing with Robinhood, they're going to let you buy with money that they're providing you before your bank actually transfers the money to them. So I'm going to hit done, and then I'm going to go back to here, and you're going to notice, oh, boom, now I have $25.51. So let's get to work. I am going to buy, like I said, another share of this PSEC, Prospect Capital. What's nice about this is you can see the graph. If you kind of hard press with your thumb or your finger, you can see what's going on here. It lets you know how it's progressing throughout the day. You can actually go to like a 5-year status. There you go. So I'm going to hit the trade button. I'm going to buy. I'm not going to sell it. And $5.50, and that's why it says right there $5.50 available to buy PSEC. So I'm going to invest all of that into this. I'm going to hit review. Order summary, you're buying $5.50, blah, blah, blah. Price of $5.01, you will receive, there it is, 1.097804. That's the fractional share. So I'm at least getting one share of it plus 0.0974, blah, 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 blah. So that's what that's all about. And then you swipe up to submit, simply boop, and there it goes. Order is received, and it's currently purchasing one share of PSEC. So there it is, order queued. And what will happen is tomorrow when the market is opened, I will now own 2 shares of this particular stock. So as promised, the last thing that I wanted to say is how I'm getting the $25,000 and my $50 per month dividend. Well, I'm going to, first of all, I am always going to invest in either ETFs or stocks, single stocks that offer a monthly or quarterly dividend yield. So I want to make sure I'm getting dividends to get up to eventually earning $50 a month in Robinhood alone. Then I want to grow my portfolio to $25,000. How I'm going to do that? Of course, I got my $5 a week passively going in here with my automatic deposit. And then I'm also going to, as I have extra money, put it into Robinhood, find things that I'm passionate about, whether it is an ETF or whether it is a single stock that I'm knowledgeable about. I'm going to take advantage of that and take it to the next level. And along the way, I'm going to share with you the ups and the downs. here on the YouTube channel. So if you're interested in joining me for the ride, make sure again that you subscribe to the Sweet Life Money channel to be the first to know when I post up a new Robinhood video. So that's it, guys. It's kind of straightforward. It's to the point. I mean, it took me like a hot second there to invest $5, and now I got myself set up with another share of this Prospect Capital. I mean, kind of easy. If I wanted to buy an Apple share, I could have done it just as easily. Transferred money into my bank account, bought a share of Apple, and I'd be on my way. So get your free stock today with Robinhood. Link in the description below. You can check that out for yourself. If you have questions at all, comment below. I'm here to help you out. Otherwise, like this video if you found value, subscribe today, and most importantly, as always, have an awesome day, live your sweet life, and we'll see you next time.